yours is better.
Join us on a thrilling adventure as we venture into the heart of the Rocky Mountains in early March, where the weather is as unpredictable as it is breathtaking. From snow-capped peaks to sunny valleys, we embrace the ever-changing landscapes and discover the beauty of nature in its rawest form. As we traverse the snow-covered trails, we find ourselves fully immersed in the enchanting winter wonderland of the Rockies. With each step, a pristine landscape unfolds before us, its beauty magnified by the blanket of glistening snow that covers every surface. Exploring the winter wonderland of the Rockies is like stepping into a magical realm where the landscape is transformed by a thick layer of snow. Every trail offers a new adventure, with snow-covered trees, frozen streams, and majestic mountain peaks creating a breathtaking scene at every turn. It's a paradise for winter enthusiasts and nature lovers alike, offering endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Venturing into sunlit valleys, we discover a world bathed in warmth and tranquility, a stark contrast to the snowy peaks above. We'll be on the road for a bit longer, so I won't keep you tied up here. Enjoy the remainder of your day. God bless.